Hey T Squad, welcome back to Spilling Tees, your go-to spot for custom t-shirts, tutorials, design tips, and behind-the-scenes hustle. If you love do-it-yourself apparel, creativity, and turning it into cash, you are in the right place. All of my contact info is below in the description area. Don't hesitate to connect. Today we're doing something real. Cleaning and clearing my office while I share some thoughts that have been heavy on my heart. I've been doing a lot of thinking about this YouTube journey I'm on, and today I want to talk about something I haven't said out loud until now. I'm choosing to let go of the pressure to be monetized. I know that's not something most creators say out loud, but it's something I've felt deep in my spirit for a while now. So while I fold, manage inventory, rearrange supplies, and breathe new life into this studio, I hope you'll stick around and listen why. This is going to be a healing conversation for me, and maybe for you too. You know how they say your environment reflects your mindset? That's what I'm feeling today. Every time I walk into this space and see it messy, unorganized, or cluttered, I feel like it mirrors my content journey lately. I felt scattered. When I first started uploading videos, it was out of excitement. I wanted to share my t-shirt designs, my creative process, my day-to-day. But then slowly, quietly, I started worrying more about views, about subscribers, about what content would perform. And before I knew it, I wasn't creating just to share. I was creating to survive the algorithm. I found myself comparing my numbers to other people's, looking at channels that grew faster, wondering if I was doing something wrong, wondering if I was wasting my time. That's a dangerous place to be as a creator. When you start attaching your value to a number on a screen, because there will always be someone growing faster, getting more engagement, and it becomes this never-ending trap. I had to step back and ask, what am I doing this for? Am I chasing numbers or am I chasing purpose? When I first saw that YouTube had requirements for monetization, like 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, I made it a goal. Nothing wrong with that. But over time, it became the goal. I stopped having fun. Well, not necessarily. It just started feeling more like a job. And I stopped posting, on the days I said I would. On Wednesday, it just became too much. I was chasing the dream of being paid, but I was robbing myself of the joy that got me here in the first place. Here's the truth. I love designing. I love working with the different vinyls and iron-ons and just materials. I love connecting with other creatives. If I'm being real, I'd probably do it even if no one watched. And that realization, it changed everything. As I clean today, I'm letting go, not just of physical clutter, but mental clutter. I'm letting go of the pressure to keep up. I'm letting go of the shame around not being monetized yet. I'm letting go of this toxic idea that I have to be profitable to be purposeful. This space deserves to be peaceful, and so do I. Every product I make here, every video I shoot, it should be an extension of love. And love doesn't require likes. Sometimes we think we're behind, but if we didn't blow up in a year, we must be doing something wrong. But you know what? That's a lie. Your journey is your own. And your timeline doesn't have to look like anyone else's. There are people who didn't hit their stride until year 5 or 10. And even if I never get monetized, that doesn't mean this was a waste, because this platform has already blessed me with something better: confidence, community, and clarity. I remember the first time someone messaged me and said they felt inspired watching me create. That stuck with me. This is what it is about: connecting with people who understand the hustle, the heart, and the healing that comes with creativity. Whether I'm designing a shirt, sharing behind the scenes, or just organizing my studio space, if it helps one person feel seen, then it's enough. So moving forward, this channel is going to stay real. I'm going to post content that brings me joy, that shows the process, the passion, and the imperfections. I'll still be dropping tutorials, behind the scenes content, creative challenges, and maybe even some vlogs. But every upload will come from a place of love, not a place of pressure, not chasing trends. If something goes viral, cool. If it doesn't, it's still cool. Because I'm not about to lose myself for a goal that may never feel me the way purpose does. So teammates, if you made it this far, thank you, truly. You don't know how much it means to have people ride with me on this journey, especially when I'm figuring things out in real time. If you are a small creator or even someone just struggling with feeling like your work isn't enough, let this be your reminder. You are enough. You don't have to go viral to be valuable. You don't need thousands of followers to have impact. Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep sharing. Keep showing up. Because you never know who you are inspiring just by being you. Make sure you like this video if it touched you. Comment below your thoughts and share it with another creative who might need this reminder. Until next time, stay creative, stay grounded, and remember, purpose over pressure, always. Much love.